Got an F150 and your USB port isn't charging your phone? Here's what you need to know. Let's fix it together. First things first, make sure your Ford F150 is in park and the engine is off. Safety matters. Next, check your USB cable. Sometimes it's just a bad cable. Try a different one and see if it works. Still no luck? Take a look inside the port. Use a flashlight to check for dirt or debris inside. If you spot anything, gently clean it out using a toothpick or a can of compressed air. If the port looks clean, restart your truck's infotainment system. Turn off your F150, wait a minute, then restart. Sometimes a quick reboot does the trick. Still not working? Locate the fuse box, usually under the hood or near the passenger side footwell. Check your owner's manual for the exact fuse number connected to the USB port. If the fuse is blown, replace it with one of the same rating. If after all that, your USB port still isn't working, it might be a wiring or hardware issue. At this point, it's best to schedule a visit with your Ford dealer or a trusted mechanic. A broken USB port can be annoying, but most issues are easy to fix. Try these steps first. You might save yourself a trip to the shop.